So tell me, Carla, why did you choose to come to this workshop? What were you expecting from here? If you told me you already took other workshops. Why this one?
I've taken a lot of workshops, and I really was looking forward to coming to one and getting the things that were expected, not an upsell or partial information of things that I was interested in learning about.
So what was different about this workshop than those?
The difference with this workshop was the pre-organization and preparing for the workshop. Also, you gave me a list of things that I knew to check off that we were going to be covering in the workshop, and then we did do that, plus more.
Okay, so was there any hidden fees or any by the ways, or that's for another episode, or was that everything combined in the package?
Everything was combined in the package.
We covered everything that requires for the marketing, down to the scripts, down to the dialect, and all these extra things. The audio and all these extras were a plus, but the main thing is, did you see the actual results that we did, that this is all you really need? And the extra would be more like, I need more lights for my studio, I need more lenses. But can you get away with the phone from what I taught you? Do you
yes,
really?
Yes.
So you don't need all this crazy equipment, like all this stuff, right? Just a phone and a good volume and confidence and a script. So you got all this covered. Do you feel good about every part of it?
Yeah, we covered ad campaigns, ad sets, online marketing on different platforms, building a website, the importance of script and story, dialect, SEO, yep, Google Maps, so much more. I'm still processing everything.
Yeah, it's a lot. But again, did it help that I gave you this material a couple of weeks before the workshop to prepare? Would you be able to done what you have done this weekend? By the way, you did like 5 websites in an hour just for practice. You threw them away like nothing.
I really enjoyed the hands-on portion of the workshop to be able to do that. So when I'm at home and working, I'll be able to do it by myself.
Cool. Plus you got all the reference videos plus a takeaway. Tell me about some of the takeaway videos that you're taking with you.
So in progression with the website, there's going to be online tutorials for pieces to build the website, how to back it up, how to change logos, how to add videos, how to do SEO.
How to copy a complete package.
Oh, that's right. Yep.
That's the best one because you don't have to rebuild it every single time. So that really is. So hope you guys understand what this is about. And then you also, the crazy part is that you wanted to come by yourself. You told me, I don't want to go with a group. I don't mind. What happened with that? Tell me a little story about that.
Well, I enjoy that you offer group workshops, and for me, I know my style of learning, and I was willing to pay more to have one-on-one, just to have the extra time to be able to work with you and answer the questions that I needed or get into factors that pertain more to me. Whereas, well, I agree the workshop with a group it's a good number, it's a small group. Just for me, it was more beneficial in the long run to pay more to do one-on-one. Yeah,
and that's the problem. So that's the thing, guys. If you guys can't afford one-on-one, there's the 5-people workshop. Your friend took the 5-people workshop. What did she say about it?
Yep, she told me about it, and then I saw your ads on Facebook too.
Okay, so there you guys go. So you have the option to take it on a workshop with 5 people, independently, just like her, or buy the courses online, save yourself the plane trip. Would you feel that these videos that you learned here in the workshop, that you can take them without having to fly in?
I'm glad that I came here for the hands-on workshop because we worked together, and any questions that I had, we were right here to answer in the here and now instead of putting it off for tomorrow.
And the hardest part of the workshop, what would you say that was?
I would say the hardest part of the workshop was preparing the script. And
the script for what?
The script for the commercial, and targeting the right dialect to fit the clients that I'm looking for.
Yeah. And had you tried that before in previous programs to that point, to that level, to that extreme?
No, not really.
Would you feel that that's the missing factor because you're targeting loads with no substance compared to now detail targeting specific? And the whole point of this was to make the customers feel like you're talking directly to them. That's what gains the audience more, and that's what we did with this workshop instead of just general. And so how do you feel about that?
I felt with my commercial, it was very specific. It answered questions that clients will have for me in the video. That was a relatable story instead of an ad in the commercial sense that we're used to hearing. I would highly recommend this course to anyone interested in online marketing or website development. If you can't afford the one-on-one, still take the group workshop. It's definitely worth it. It just depends on your preference of learning. I would highly recommend signing up for the next workshop, and don't miss out.